What's up, team? In this video, we're going to be having a look at Kadena once again and see where it could potentially go in the near future and of course in the next bull market. So we had two interesting questions, or not interesting, but two people in the comments yesterday and on my Twitter asked this. Bro, next bull run, can Kadena reach $100 or more? What is your opinion? And of course, another one said, hey Dos, thanks for what you're doing for the Kadena community. What do you think about Kadena going to $500 to $1,000 in the next bull cycle? So those are obviously two very interesting questions, and it is pretty crazy. Now, before I get into the whole math and if we could potentially reach there, we need to look at market cap always, okay? Market cap. It doesn't matter what the price is, you have to look at the market cap and circulating supply. So this is what we're going to be having a look at. We're also going to be having a look at Grayscale Trust Fund. Okay, so as you guys can see right here, Bitcoin plays a huge part into, the altcoins such as Kadena and Ethereum, and we could see that we are still in a bear market, guys. The Grayscale keeps on selling Bitcoin right here. The 30 days they sold over 1,000 Bitcoin, and of course in the last 24 hours they have sold over 35 Bitcoin plus, and in the last 7 days they sold 208. So Grayscale is clearly bearish on crypto, and it keeps on selling its asset, because if it was bullish it would keep stacking, right? So they know that things are on the way down still, and we are still very far away from a bull market. Of course, guys, before I dive into Kadena and all the math and all the equations on CoinMarketCap, if you guys sign up with my link in the description below right here, not only can you deposit and trade and earn up to $9,100, which ends in 6 days, but you could of course be part of this total prize bonus pool, 100 Bitcoin right here. And as you guys can see right here, daily lucky draw, where each user gets up to 3 chances per day. So you get up to 3 chances per day to draw, of course, and of course that means you would have to trade on futures, and I believe the minimum is $300. So make sure you go ahead and sign up with my link. I mean, this is a very great incentive for you guys to essentially trade and be part of this. It's a giveaway, New Year trading competition on and with MEXC only. So that's very interesting. Make sure you guys check that out. My link will be in the description below. So going back into Kadena real quick, guys. Can Kadena go to 100, 500, or even $1,000 in 2024, or maybe in the next bull market? We're gonna have to see. We have to look at market cap, guys. Right now, the circling supply for KDA is currently sitting at 215 million. That means every time it goes up $1, 215 million gets added to the market cap, right? That's exactly what it means. The thing is that the 215 million circulating won't always stay the same. And the reason why is because miners will keep mining Kadena. So we're always going to have people mining Kadena, and this will obviously go up. It's going to shoot, it's going to skyrocket, right? Eventually. I mean, we see it happening with Bitcoin, Ethereum. We're seeing all these things always, supply, Solana, it's always skyrocketing. The max supply, of course, is 1 billion in tokens, so it can exceed that. Kadena is currently ranked in the top 120, so that's pretty good. Let's have a look at the market cap real quick and see what the all-time high market cap is. 3.6 billion, guys. 3.6 billion, that was the all-time high in market cap, okay? What happens if Kadena goes to $100, assuming the market, or the supply, assuming the circling supply is at 215 million, right? Well, $100 would be 21 billion. Is that doable? Yes, that is very doable. It would really be 21,500,000. Now, $1,000 would be 210 billion. 210 billion, guys, is very high. Now, of course, if you cut that in half by $500, let's say the market cap would be $100 billion. Now, if we go to CoinMarketCap real quick, and let's say we have a look at Solana, okay, guys, Solana, very popular coin, 1.7 million people on the watch list. It's a top 10, top 15 coin, of course, on CoinMarketCap. Let's have a look at CoinMarketCap real quick and look at the market cap. Did Solana ever reach $100 billion in market cap valuation? No, the question is no. Okay, $78 billion. That was the highest Solana ever reached, and that is a top 10 or top 15 coin, of course, on CoinMarketCap. Can Kadena do this? Maybe not. But look at this, guys. We went from literally $80 billion all the way down to right now currently sitting at $5 billion. Okay, $215 billion, guys, with Kadena sitting at $1,000 would be even higher than Ethereum's evaluation right now, which is currently 152 billion. Now, of course, when Kadena goes up, Ethereum's gonna go high as well. But guys, to be in the $215 billion is very, very difficult. I'm not gonna lie. Can Kadena be a $21 billion market cap coin? Can it go to $100, $150, $80? Definitely 100%. Kadena can definitely do that, guys. If we go back to KDA, it wouldn't be too crazy. I mean, guys, it would literally be $100, $80 would be under $20 billion, and we've seen a bunch of coins reach $20 billion in market cap valuation. So this is exactly what is happening right now. Kadena is kind of trending sideways right now in the past day. If we have a look at the last 7 days, we are trending in a nice little uptrend right here, upwards channel, making higher lows right here, as you guys can see, but nothing too crazy. Bitcoin hasn't been doing much right here. As you guys can see in the last month, we've just been consolidating. So ever since we essentially broke that $1 region right here, below 97 cents, we've just been pretty much consolidating sideways, nothing too crazy, of course. And that's about it, guys. I mean, yes, a lot of FUD happening right now, not only around Kadena, but around crypto. So I would be careful. If you guys like this video, this quick video on KDA, don't forget to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.